Come test drive the 2017 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.